Hey, I thought somebody said something about rhinestones. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Cricketing with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. I did not make this shirt. This shirt was made for me as a gift from Patrice at Craftable Things. But what I am going to do is I am going to show you today how to download a file, how to upload it into Cricut Design Space, how to get it cut with my Cricut Maker, how to get the rhinestones brushed in, how to press the shirt with a heat press, and how to show you what a nice blinged out shirt looks like. But before I do any of that, I am going to open this box that I received from Eve at the Baby's Booty. I participated in the this is my first time participating in the buy-in, and she was able to get my order out quickly because she knew I was about to go bananas because I was very impatiently waiting. Now, if you find this process helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Now, without further ado, let's get this box opened and then we will go into the premiere where I will show you my full process. You ready? Let's get started. Ooh. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Let's see. It says a replacement gift. Welcome to 2032. I can see it through the bubble wrap. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Ooh. Look at this. Y'all, I am going to try to contain myself, and I know I'm going to have a very hard time doing it. But let's look. This says a replacement gift. Welcome to 2032. Love you, Eve and Mr. McQuacken. Oh, these are light Siam Hotfix, and these are SS10s. Oh my goodness. I'm going to try to keep myself. I'm going to try to keep my composure. I'm keeping this forever. Okay, that's how sentimental I am. Let's see what this is. Let's see what this is, you guys, because I have never participated in the buy-in before. Never, because I felt like I was too afraid. But look at these containers. It says the baby's booty, and it has her little pirate booty logo. Let's see. Ooh, these are fancy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are SS10 amethyst. Hopefully you can see them. These are, oh my God, they're packaged so nicely. These are so pretty. These are SS10 gold orange. These are SS10 olivine. And I'll open all of them so you can see them up close. These are also SS10 Capri. Okay, so hopefully you can see them, but I'm going to open them up so you can see them really well. And I think this is called, I'll tell you the wrong thing. I think that's called an ice pick or an ice chip. I don't remember. These are neon purple. I saw these and I had to get them, and oh my gosh. These are Siam. So all of these that I'm showing you are SS10s. These are so pretty. These are called Sun. I hope I get good at putting the colors together. These are called Blue Steel. Now let me give you a better closer look at all of these rhinestones. This color is called Siam. Okay, this color right here is called Sun, for obvious reasons. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. This color is neon purple. This is a new color. This one is called, what again, amethyst. This color is called gold orange. It almost looks like sun, it's just not as bright. So this is gold orange and this is sun. So you can see the difference. It's just not as bright. This one, oh, I'll put that back. This one is called blue steel. This one is called Capri. And this last one right here is called Olivine. So pretty. Okay, I'm not going to open the rest of these. There's more, but wait, there's more. These are, I'm sure these are SS6. All of these in this container are the SS6, and there are 5 in here. That other container held 8. These are, I think I ordered a lot of the same color. These are black diamond. Oh my goodness. They look blue, but they're called black diamond. These are blue flame. These are champagne AB. These are citrine. So pretty. And these are hyacinth. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. This is called the 100 Gross Pick 6. Okay, so with the 100 Gross Pick 6, you choose any 6 colors of the SS10 size. And so the 6 that I chose were Crushed Ice AB, Black Diamond AB, Champagne AB, and I also chose Gold Orange AB, Light Siam AB, and Jonquil. Okay, so these are all of my rhinestones, and I'm so excited I can barely contain myself. All right, so hopefully you have found this process helpful, and if you did, please consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and turning on the bell for notifications, because I do upload new content every single week. I will leave a link to Eve's store below the video in case you want to check out the buy-in and see what options you have for making a purchase. Here's a closer look at these. If you found this process helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and turning on the bell for notifications, because I do upload new content every single week. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.